Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another quick and easy holiday sewing project. Today we're making these little Christmas light Christmas tree ornaments. Use up some of your fabric scraps and felt to create your own handmade ornaments, or use them as part of your gift wrapping. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, matching felt, ribbon or cord for hanging, and don't forget the printable templates. I'll add links down below of the products I'm using today. First, place a piece of light bulb fabric and the 1-inch strip fabric together with the right side of the fabrics facing each other. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4-inch seam allowance and press it open. Place the fabric piece with the right side of the fabric facing down and the fabric strip at the top. Place the coordinating color of felt and align it along one end. Fold the other half of the fabric on top of the felt with the right side of the fabric facing up. Match up the top seam on the front and back piece. Center the template over the fabric piece, making sure the dotted line is aligned with the seam, and pin it in place. Stitch around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving the top of the light open for the hanging ribbon. Use a marking pencil to trace the top solid line, and then remove the template. Use scissors to trim 1/8 to 1/4 inch outside the stitching line, including above the unstitched marked top line. To make the hanging loop, fold the cord or ribbon in half. Place the raw edges of the loop on the top of the light in between the layers of felt and fabric. Stitch on the marked line across the top of the light to secure the loop in place. And just like that, just that fast, you have some unique Christmas ornaments to decorate your tree or your presents for the Christmas holiday. See you next time with another project.